people, bro.
Hey guys, and today I'm going to be playing Roblox. We're gonna play some.
Yeah, maybe if it was tonight, dude.
We're gonna play some Arsenal.
You're on to the next round. Don't fuck up though. Bring me someone with talent. Some crazy talent, please.
We'll play some Arsenal. No, we won't. I'm gonna call my cousin because she's playing Tower of
Man,
Hell.
what's your
She
talent, dude?
never plays Tower of Hell,
Play
so that's
All
what
of
I'm
Me
calling
by
her.
John Legend.
Hold on, I'm calling her. I'm not showing her number though. And then people are screen call her.
Oh, yep. Yep, a lot, but it's okay. Next round.
Oh, Ron, what's good?
Hey, man, welcome to the show. How old are you, dude?
I'm 13.
Oh, okay. How long have you been watching me for?
Well, I mean, a couple months ever
Did you
since I got Twitch.
What month is your birthday?
July 1st, so tomorrow.
Oh, happy early birthday! Happy early birthday!
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Okay, so what's your talent?
Rapping. Rapping's my talent.
Oh!
Can I freestyle to a song called Losing Interest? Yeah, what did I tell you guys? I said, what did I tell you? These people are saying my dream isn't real. They say that about everything that I feel. What happened to being support? Some people search my dream and I'm bored. I got a passion, you know about holding. I'm building traction, you know that I rolled. Hey, what you expect?
What you
Me
expect?
at 13 didn't know what to do. Last October when I'll go through. I know that I've fallen into this before. Kills me inside, it's a chore. I really don't know why that I've ever should have had from the feeling creeping times that made me feel like going to cry.
Your feet touch the ground?
Yeah.
Are you lying to me? We'll see you in the next round, dude. Wow, wait, you lost the shape. That was really good.
That was really emotional.
That made me a little sad. Anyone else get a little Bible dump, maybe?
I'm gonna need like a little time to go outside.
I know, but what the fuck is your talent, dude?
BMX tricks, bro. I'm getting my custom bike.
Let's see this track. Let's see the first track. Oh, no hands.
No hands.
Oh.
Off the seat. What was famous thinking?
Wow, look at this fucking idiot outside. Yeah, that was pretty cool, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, you seem to be out of breath from that.
I'm on flip flops. My mom's yelling at me. I don't have a helmet on.
Yo, what's up? What's your talent? Oh, we have a Rubik's Cube, I see. Hey. Oh, we have a clock. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
What do you bring to the table that's different from other people? Because, we've had a lot of Rubik's Cube people.
Yeah, so I think I'm pretty fast, and for the other rounds, I got a wide variety of cubes, saved up for the next round.
We've had a kid before who did some nice Rubik's Cubes, man. So he did
Yeah, but I got it.
He did this humongous triangle.
I got like a wide selection, and I think I can do them pretty fast, possibly faster than him. I'm not sure,
Oh,
but
okay.
we'll see. All right.
Oh, you can't step up.
Oh, is it out?
Yeah, we can't see it.
Right. Oh my god, he's not doing a walking.
There we go.
I've never seen that. That's pretty impressive. I can't lie. I feel like having those type of fingers can be really good when you have a girlfriend. Like imagine what you can.
Hi, what's up? Yeah, my talent is I'm gonna play piano and beatbox at the same time.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
I'm in my 20s.
Oh, wow. We got someone above the age
Let's go.
of 13.
Hi.
You're just gonna play some Arsenal. I was just talking to my cousin.
Why? CR, I mean, dude, this is like, what is the...
It might be laggy for you
is the
guys.
winner.
It might be laggy like the gameplay for you guys. But it's not laggy for me. I'm probably something to get a new clip recorder. Because I'm using Screencast, Manic, and yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna sing a lot from Japan.
I don't know that one. Can you sing the one that goes... You got me...
Whoa, what the I do not want to play this map. Map is... Bro, and they're in it just
Take our business to the next
I
level.
don't like this map.
It's $1 million biometric lab in a suitcase. It's the most powerful software for nutrition, training, and recovery tracking. It's a source of new customers. It's the certification that will make you an expert in building personalized programs backed by science, all in one package.
I'm just gonna get assist.
Online, I'm back. Immerses you in a universe with thousands of star systems like never before. Follow a path of your own choosing and become a titan of industry. Explore the wonders
Whoa,
of
what
the
the
universe. Or join record-breaking PvP battles. Add your
Oh shit.
decades of player
Sorry for the cursing. Kinda scared me, bro. Scared me, guys. Why does it have to be so loud?
Play free. Experience Eve on back. The way
What the?
to be.
Bye bye. Bro, you're so good.
Bro, my feet is wet.
When did I press? No. See, when I try to do full screen, it does that. It does like all this glitchy stuff, and it tries the full screen. It tries the full screen, but it doesn't.
Wow. Wow. That was...
What the?
That was the best one we've had
Nope,
so
nope.
far, man.
You're not hitting me.
Thank you. I appreciate What's up?
It's a no from me. CR?
Huh?
I mean, this is up to
I
you.
didn't want to mute since the start. I couldn't be bothered with that. I'm so sorry.
It's a little too...
Oh, you tried.
makes me wonder, you know?
That's what I'm thinking. I never saw him sing
He's
it.
pushing me towards you.
Movie.
How do we
I'm right
know
here,
that's
buddy.
you?
What the? What did I just do?
No, it's a little too nice.
A little too nice.
I think that's a compliment, man. I practice 10 hours a day, so.
10 hours a day?
Yeah, I play piano for like 6 and sing for like 10.
So how long have you been doing this for?
I've been singing since I was around 2.
Okay, so do the math. If you work 10 hours a day every single day, how many hours is that? Let's hear it.
Oh, well, I've only been doing 10 hours a day since I was like 16.
Okay, let's do the math. Tell me.
365
What?
hours. 365,000 hours.
I might do more Fortnite gameplay, just to be honest.
So your talent is hot sauce?
Party face.
This is your talent, man. I mean, you came in... I believe it doesn't hit that quickly. I could be wrong. So. Oh, wow!
Hey, can we get some more?
Alright, man. Just, if you're gonna throw up... Alright, man. I don't...
Okay, I think you should go get a drink.
I think you should go get... Bro! Alright, I'm gonna get big. So you're gonna be dancing. I'm not mistaken, correct?
Yeah, sure.
What song are you going to be
Hold on,
dancing
let me.
to?
No,
I
I'm
have
not gonna do that. That's gonna.
See,
that's
I
my
was the mascot
information.
for my school because of how good my dancing was.
I'm personally going to say yes, so it's going to be up to you and your
I'm gonna
chat.
go to basically FNF.
Realistically, it's up to my chat.
I played harder songs, so it's gonna be easy.
Push it to the next round.
No,
Thanks so much.
Yeah, man, let's see if you bring that
Amazing.
Let me sit in my chair.
Susan, I know what you're gonna say. Other people know that, but I'll show you what I'm like. I'll start off like kind of basic, but next round if I'll like this one where it's like a bit bigger.
Wait,
So I
got
got
that thing in front of him.
No, I'm not playing the.
7.1.
I'm not playing your trash new version.
I have it on my YouTube channel. It's 3 seconds.
What? What's your...
Hang on.
We got someone who's a little bit...
I know. This guy's fast.
But is he fast
Kid's
enough to do?
lagging
Let me
right
scramble.
there.
Right, keep scrambling up. First
What
one
is
to finish.
that?
Ready?
He's
3, 2,
He's lagging.
1,
He plays on the flip phone, bro. What is this? Bro, what is this?
Is he
No,
cheating?
I don't think he is. I don't think he is.
There's a nice diamond.
I don't think there's a way. How could you even cheat? Is that
Yeah, there's no way.
Is that
Wait,
actually possible?
that is the that.
I'm gonna eat.
Wait, no, bring him in.
I don't know if I want this guy.
No.
No, I'll do this guy. This guy looks mad
Wait a
laggy.
second.
Hey, how you doing, dude?
Shit,
eat
bro.
garlic clove. Soy sauce.
Ah.
I've got some sriracha right here to wash it down.
Well, this kid ready up.
Go look for the stove.
That
Oh,
is
your dad can't do
disgusting,
that.
dude. Make out with your gun.
Your dad's gone. He's not happy.
Ew, bro, man, we're gonna see you in the next round, man. That was really impressive. Congratulations to the people to the next round.
Ready up. Will this kid ready up? No. I'm going
Hey,
to
what's your
different
talent,
page.
man? Welcome back. You're on the second round. Congratulations. Oh, it's you again.
Going on
Alright,
this.
so I want to get MVP and I'm gonna freestyle.
I'm just gonna say one on one round.
Come on, Mr. Robert, you better keep your post up. You told me to say where's your body getting colder. Hold up, please.
I wish I understood a word you said. I'm gonna move you to the next round, man. You gotta bring something nice, man. Like,
So, let me just get a little naked real quick. That's all I'm doing. Don't worry. I'm gonna put myself in a human pretzel.
I remember, there's a lot on the line here. The chat's very ruthless.
I am.
Now, is this the talent that you want, guys? Personally, respectfully, I'm gonna decline this. It's up to you, sir. We appreciate that, Buga. Thank you for coming by, dude. Seriously.
Brutal, my favorite. My favorite from today.
Me and him, we used to be best friends in first grade.
Oh, of course.
For real.
So fresh.
So,
See how good this guy is.
brutal.
Yeah? Sorry, dude. It's just like, it's a really, like, sad story. Like, he used to be a really good friend.
I understand what you're going through right now. I'm going to You don't need it. You don't need it if it's left for you, know?
Listen, dude.
You're better than him.
Look at you, but look at the whole chat, bro. The whole chat loves you, dude. And what are you doing that he's not, bro? Like, you're ahead of him, bro. Like, he's doing nothing, bro. He's a bum, bro.
You're freestyling in front of 15,000 people. They'll love you, bro.
Listen, man, we gonna bring you in the next round, dude. Just...
Oh my god, thank you, dude.
Yep. Oh, welcome back. How did you guys find that? You guys are f***ing cool.
Now here's the Dennis merch. Wow, this guy's doo-doo. Has the Dennis merch. Hey, hell no, bro. So he probably saw Dennis play this once and he wants to play it. Like, this is easy. This is easy, bro. This is easy. Look, this is easy.
Crazy, bro. Wait, he left
Okay.
Discord. What was his name?
Let me pick
He
on me.
left the Discord. He left. He left.
Right.
That kid left. He got caught and he left.
Come on, Mr. Robert, you better keep your post up. You told me to say where's your body getting colder. Hold up, please.
I wish I understood a word you said. I'm gonna move you to the next round, man. You gotta bring something nice, man. Like,
So, let me just get a little naked real quick. That's all I'm doing. Don't worry. I'm gonna put myself in a human pretzel.
I know,
there's a lot on
guy
the line
named
here. The
Coach.
chat's very ruthless.
I am.
Can you pick a song that's not glitched? Like fresh?
Now, is this the talent that you want, guys? Personally, respectfully, I'm gonna decline this. It's up to you, sir. We appreciate that, Buga. Thank you for